The solar decathlon has officially wrapped up, and the University of Arizona's entry is being disassembled and brought back to campus. Almost 2 years in the making and designed and constructed entirely by students, the house advanced the understanding and practical application of solar power in housing design and construction.
One of the big kind of driving factors in the kind of exterior layout of this project has been the fact that it really is an exhibition space, and we have to design it to move people through and really showcase the technology that we're trying to demonstrate to the public. And so this is really a big demonstration project, and you see that all over. It's not only the house and all the kind of systems and parts and pieces that are involved with that, but we've got a demonstration of our structural system right here. We've got a demonstration of our greenhouse plans.
Technologically, there's several things that we do in the UA house which isn't being done anywhere else. There are water walls and others, but we have this structured water wall which is really amazing. It's designed to be thin when the sun is low on the horizon so that the solar heat can go through the wall. And then when the sun rises in the horizon and the temperature gets hotter, the wall is structured so that the heat actually is better insulated from the outside.
And how it works is during the day when the sun hits the water, it starts to collect the heat energy from the sun. And the water, which acts like concrete or brick, continues to collect that heat energy until it reaches a certain capacity. When it reaches that capacity, it then releases that heat into the interior of the house. So at night, when it cools down, you get some of that heat radiating into the house without having to rely so much on mechanical systems.
You know, for them, I've been able to see a real transformation in them. As architecture students, they're kind of, you know, they're not trained as builders, they're not trained as fabricators, and that's something that we kind of, because of the nature of the project, we forced on them a little bit. And in the end, you know, the transformation that a lot of them have made, they now have a very clear understanding of exactly what it takes to put a building together. You know, every little frustrating aspect of it and every glamorous aspect of it. So I think for them to be able to participate in this thing, and you know, some of them have just come on in the last semester, some of them have been with the project for a year, and a few of them have been with the project from the very beginning for almost 2 years. So it's been a long time coming for this thing. It's been a long process.